The Millennium Challenge Corporation is an innovative and individual U.S. foreign aid organization. This corporation has helped many countries to become connected to the world and helped the poorest countries around the globe to become globally prosperous and secure. The MCC is helping the world become more united by increasing trade goods and services around the world and by making more effective and better communication systems between countries. Selection of countries are chosen based on certain criteria. The countries that are chosen for this program have to invest in their people, rule their country justly, and create an environment for positive economic growth. Through globalization, the Millennium Challenge Corporation is trying to solve the problem of lack of foreign aid by reducing global poverty through economic growth, creating access to better health care, and further development of educational systems. Global poverty has been reduced because of economic growth through foreign aid. Maria Salina, a resident of Cape Verde, was once living in poverty until she received help from ASDIS, a Cape Verde microfinance institution. The help from this organization supported her in her business, ultimately bringing her family to economic stability. This shows by the aid of the MCC and its partners, the Salina family was able to begin a new life with the resources it received. On September 23, 2010, the MCC signed a 5-year, $434 million contract with the Philippine government to put Kalahai Cadiz into place. According to this plan, they wanted to enhance the community-level infrastructure and social services and strengthen the overall capacity of local communities and mainly focus on the development of improving the lives of the poor. The reduction of global poverty through economic growth is shown through this because the MCC worked with the Philippines to create a stable economy. Lastly, MCC created a 5-year, $275 million compact with the Hashemite Kingdom of Jordan to reduce poverty through economic growth. Jordan is one of the most water-poor countries in the world. The lack of water was taking a toll on the daily life and the country's economy. The compact was put in place to increase the supply of water availability to households and businesses. There was also improvements to the efficiency of water and wastewater collection. This shows that living standards have risen because of the aid from the United States. Therefore, the MCC has shown reduced global poverty through economic success. Access to better health care has been made easier because of the MCC's advancements in globalization. According to the MCC, if you invest in health, you build a safer future. For example, in Indonesia, the $331.5 million compact with the MCC protects and attempts to reduce low birth weight, stunted child growth, and malnourishment of children in fragile areas. The result of the money in healthcare to this area has been positive. There has been a reduction in low birth weight babies. Childhood growth and overall health has improved as a direct impact of infant and children getting proper nourishment. The Mongolia Compact in Mongolia, in the amount of $17 million, is strengthening that country's healthcare system. The National Program for Prevention, Early Diagnosis, and Management of Non-Communicable Diseases and Injuries, or NCDI, has been put in place as a result of receiving foreign aid. MCC funded public health interventions which expands and better targets prevention and early diagnosis efforts of the NCDI program. Again, healthcare systems that are in place and used for early diagnosis and overall health management are effective preventive measures for the healthcare of people. Over 40% of the Lesteso Compact is on target to strengthen the delivery of essential healthcare services, including HIV and AIDS prevention and treatment. Overall, this shows the success made by the MCC Foreign Aid Program to give better access to healthcare for all people. The development of educational systems have been successful because of the MCC's financial support. Around the world, there are 75 million children, more than half girls, that have not had the opportunity to attend school. Research shows a positive correlation between girls' primary education and accelerated economic growth because providing them with one extra year of schooling can boost future wages 10 to 20%. A bright school in Targasso focuses on specifically high-quality girls' education and is just one of 132 schools constructed under the MCC. Prior to these schools being built, it was difficult for girls to attend school because there was none in their area. The distance to the nearest school was too great and time-consuming to get to. By the MCC Compact, building schools gave these girls the opportunity to go to school, which shows progress in education due to foreign aid. In Ghana, for example, the school program was so successful it won praise across party lines and from major aid advocates such as Bono, lead singer of rock band U2, who on a trip to a school in Ghana funded by the program last year bragged about being part of this genesis. This shows that the development of better educational systems because of the MCC have impressed many. Another example of investments in education is in El Salvador. The program is helping to completely update and renovate 20 middle technical schools. Included in this project is the development of new curriculum training of instructors and scholarships for students. This will lead to jobs for the students in fields such as tourism, information technology, and agriculture. These are areas that are important to the development of north part of El Salvador. The progress by these projects show that the foreign aid to these countries from the MCC and partners has improved education. The MCC is an organization that is an arm of foreign diplomacy and operates without much publicity. The MCC was founded 9 years ago with a mission to help the economic development of emerging markets. They have invested over $9 billion to over 24 countries. The MCC has shown an incredible amount of progress with their plan and follow-through. Their investments are paying off and will continue to do so in the future.